Hey, we got a nice grenade launcher from ICS Airsoft. Let's open the box. A detailed instruction manual where you can see all the parts. Very nice. And you can open it up and see how you use it. This is well made, I think. It tells how to adjust it. This is nice. This is nice as well. And here we got a nice grenade launcher. We got a front handle and a nice barrel. Almost everything is plastic. This one is metal. This one is metal. And I think this one is metal as well. There's a few metal parts in here. This one here is aluminium. This one is metal. Yeah, and the screws. But this is a beauty. For the price, this is very cheap. And no one else makes them in airsoft or paintball. So you only have this from ICS. Here you can see there is a 6mm BBs, but you can use it for paintball as well. Because if you use target grenades, there's different kinds of projectiles you can launch down the range. But here we got the stock. We got 5 precisions, and this one is plastic. And you can turn it in 3 position here. There's 3, 1 in the middle, and 1 up, and 1 down. We got a safety. It's the same on both sides. We got a lock to open the drum. To open the drum, you're gonna pull in this one and pull it sideways. Like this. And now you're ready for putting in some airsoft grenades of some kind. And you have to wind it up, and you just do it like this. All the way. And now it's ready to be closed. Now it's safe on safe and ready to go. Yeah, you have to do it like this. I just went on auto. But yeah, you know the point. I have had this one for 2 years, I think. And I have played around with a lot with my target grenades. But to use target grenades, you have to modify the trigger a little bit, because the drum don't line up with the barrel good enough to fire target grenades. So I have modified something inside here. Now it's working and it's lining up very well. And I have been using it for, about 2 years. So I have changed the front handle and this one just to make this video. So this one and this one have never been used. I use another one. I will show you in another video what I have been using. But the build quality of this one, I think, is very great. It's plastic, but it's durable plastic. It's very, very good. And for the price of around 250 euros, oh yeah, you can always buy another one if you break it. But yeah, my review is 10/10. I'm satisfied. I've been waiting for this one in many years because I don't want to buy it 12 years ago when it came on the market, because the airsoft grenades for it at that time was sadly some and that was all. Now we got the targeted grenades and it shoot 150 meters, and that's wild. And that's why I have bought this. And I have bought some targeted grenades, 12 pieces at all. And you can see it in our other video. But that was all for now. 10/10, my review on this ICS rocket launcher. If you want the rocket launcher, oh, this one is nice. 6 shots, oof, it can not be better. That's all for now. Bye-bye from Denmark.